Hello and welcome to HNS Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen issue while using the OBS Studio. First things first, I'm using Bandicam as a screen recorder for this particular video, and you might be getting a watermark up at the top as well. This is because I had to use a different screen recorder because this video is about OBS. Usually I use OBS for my screen recordings. With that being said, let's get into the topic. So for some of you, when you open up your OBS, under the display capture source, you'll be getting a black screen over here. Now a simple fix to this is you just need to right click anywhere on your desktop, go to display settings, and under display settings scroll down and go to the graphics settings. Here you'll have two options. You just need to stick to the classic app, so keep this, and you need to click on the browse option. Then we need to select the OBS application. Mine is already there, but I'm going to show you how to get to this point. So you need to go to the C drive or the Windows drive on your computer, then to program files, then OBS Studio, bin 64-bit, and here's your application. Click on this and click add, and this will add the OBS Studio here. Now the next thing is to go to options, and here this problem happens usually when you have two different graphic cards. For example, you have your built-in Intel card, and then you have another NVIDIA or AMD or any other graphics cards. Now what happens is usually OBS uses the other high performance NVIDIA instead of the local Intel graphics card. So in order to fix this, you need to select the power saving mode. So for me, I have the same card for now on this laptop, but I had a similar problem on another laptop. So in order to fix this, you need to select the power saving mode, and this will switch you from the NVIDIA or AMD back to the Intel graphics card, and then click on the save. Now if you click save, that's all you need to do. Then just close this window, and then after doing this, just close your OBS for once and then open it again. And once you'll open it again, you'll have this window back on where you'll be able to see the display of your computer screen. That's all you need to do to fix this issue, and I'm 100% sure that this will help your case as well, because I've been looking for the same issue when I was using the OBS on a different laptop, and I had a similar issue. So I had tried different options, but this is by far the best fix for this issue. Please like the video if this has fixed the issue for you, and if you have any queries, just leave a comment down in the comment section and we'll be happy to answer. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.